Hayi bawufika njani ubekwe
from Sun City, what we go Posmo or whatever prison that he was. Wathola RTP ngena roof. Umehloko nje mncane ukuthi nje ukhavaro yitina kusamazenge.
But ke ukuphina unwarishe ka usile 26.
Yabo bathi bani ntale umbulukazi.
We juicy.
No,
I don't know what's the term for it, but like
Putting a
sucking the guy's asshole.
Oh, rimming.
Rimming.
Yeah.
Got a name?
Sorry.
Yes,
I
rimming.
wouldn't do that. Yeah, rimming.
That one.
I
Yeah, but you just like I marinate.
I'm glad, but I would not survive that.
Hey guys,
It's a hot
mnyama for izinto yazi.
I would not. Yeah.
Sure. Ukuthi at least ngwasami ngembatata.
Eyakho experience
So sithola so sentabeni ubhekene nesihlahla sikhuluma nawe. So ufuna ukuvula amanzi. Yeah. Nago ulamos,
No,
you know,
I don't
the
know
cameras
how
are
to
low.
say it. It's usually just instruments.
Just go pepe de pepe. Exe. Shop feed about fit. How's it there? Yeah, man. Welcome to Progressive Podcast with yours truly. Siyazwane. Abanye bathi siyabonga zwanye, abanye bathi le nto aliyane wondile, but nevertheless.
Molweni bantu bethu, nithetha noNeliswa, your beautiful host. Sizoba nani namhlanje? Hello.
And hey everyone, nithetha no Kutlwano, aka Sky Goddess. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, man. I'm happy to be here. How are you guys?
Oh, it's such a beautiful day.
Yeah, you look nervous.
Yes, of course. We're definitely not nervous.
Yeah.
Definitely.
You know what?
excited.
I mean, it only makes sense for me on my side because, you know, having to come this long way to actually do this podcast. I mean, you know,
Yeah.
250, everything needs to start somewhere.
Yeah.
So I'm happy that I'm with you guys here. We're going to be sharing this history together. One day I was interviewing Natu Wabanye after we interview the other ones. You know, we'll be talking about these stories as if they never happened. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Bafit, welcome to Progressive Podcast. So what we do, we just discuss everything progressive. Now we're more like Kaya, if you unespaza sa kuthengisa ama ice squinches lapha emarenkeni or whatever that you are doing, as long as you have progress in your life, this is the podcast for you. And I mean, even us being here today.
It's a progressive
Yeah.
move,
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi bantu bethu, we are waiting for you. Join nihlale nathi.
Yeah.
And
Sure.
leave content yethu, and hopefully nani nizofumana some progressive going forward with the content.
Yeah, it's all about inspiration. But obviously, inspiration too, there's part of it that was there. I think about 2 weeks ago before they announced this GNU thing happening. I think we are existing apparently, but it's the new 1994. 2024 is the new 1994. Yeah.
Esona stress ke eso siyazi bakuzawuthwana ngathi because we sina say kanye sekugqityiwe on behalf of thina sisonke.
When you are voting, it's your say. Say is your vote.
But I don't think bangobe besivotela for this because wonke umuntu ebene particular yakhe ebeyifuna ungenela. Ngoku ke sewazibhaqa sekumixiwe izawuthini into ngathi iyawara shame.
Yeah, but I mean the GNU, there's part of it that makes sense for me, you know. Although a cabinet yakho, I saw the cabinet yesterday, they announced the cabinet actually last night. Hey man, I heard some crazy stuff with the cabinet. Katin Mackenzie is the for arts and culture.
Hayi bawufika njani ubekwe
From Sun City, what we go Posmo or whatever prison that he was.
Anti futhi yena ngulo mosi uKenny
Yeah, the Kenny Kunene's
Dudula
friend.
Dudula project.
Yeah, I don't know if they are the ones that did the Tutula thing, but I think they're part of that thing. Mawuza nje abo Tutula, anything that has.
Balinde njani? Oh my gosh, ilizwe lethu siyaphi. It's worrying for him now because izinto ngoku zihamba ingathi i-decisions ithathwa at the moment because bafacana nalento bafacana nayo. So i-structure, it's not things that were planned.
Yeah.
They just rolling with it because basafuna uzibona in power still.
Yeah, but I mean, so if okay, this question goes for both of you. I can hear Uti because obviously everyone is nervous about this whole new government thing that is happening with the GNU and all of that. But now, do you guys think with this happening, is there anything that we can say, okay, the government that we had before, this is what they did good, this is what they did good. So to say GNU is going to be bad or whatever, do you think that, can we actually conclude that it's going to be a bad decision to make, to have this GNU or differently? I don't know, how do you feel about it?
I don't think it's necessarily going to be a bad thing. I mean, we will never be 100% satisfied because we all want different things. So I think it's going to be an opportunity to have new things implemented, like this thing, Yogusibasu vendors and stuff like that. I think it's a very good idea. Because, I mean, we can't walk properly out here and stuff, and it's super dirty.
Each is something else.
You know?
It's a pigsty.
So I'm just hopeful that they come with better things, you know, that's what I'm hoping. But it's, at the end of the day, it's just hope.
But now what I've noticed over the years, power, of course they want to prove themselves.
Of course.
So for the first year, Salvuya City, and whatever. But we can only, whatever I'm going to be saying, assumption and in my opinion, only time we can really answer and do are we good or are we in danger? So but at the moment, so there's a show by
for me personally, it's like if bohlala emkhukhwini and emkhukhu wakho bowuvuza wathola RDP ngena roof, umehloko nje mncane ukuthi nje ukhavarwe yitina kusamazenge. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I can't say it's a good thing or a bad thing. I wouldn't know, because even namanje, okay, for example, the Department of Sports and Arts and Culture, for me, there's a crazy concept to mix sports and arts. I don't know what as broad as the concept of sports is, as broad as the concept of art is, because but already have that. Now taking that and have a dude like Gaten Mackenzie, I don't know if we're celebrating or what's going on? What is this? You know? So I mean, we'll see when time goes. But for me, I would be very hopeful if we would have a different output from how the Department of Arts has been carried out ever since, because it's not important like any other ones. People go to, there was too many strikes at NAC, but nothing really happens. You know what I mean? We have almost one platform like this. I mean, shout out to M Studios, you know, for even being able to create these platforms. But imagine how many people in different areas that would, instead of having a football or a tennis court, they would rather have, you know, podcast studios or galleries. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, I'm very hopeful.
And to add on the point ithethayo, if bathathe umntu ebengekho kule system already, as Mausitho wa Mackenzie just came out from nowhere and then uyofaka kule department, maybe it's because the point is like uthe xa yethetha bava ba uzawuza ne change. As you're saying that for years it's been continuing, but there's no improvement. So lithemba nyana elo ukuthi yena he can come up with something. I'm just hoping.
I mean 26. You probably did say something.
You can't
to those guys. But Parliament, most of them is we maplazini outlays. Ramaphosa Kefide out as a Shawela, there's a dude from Shawela, but most of them is just niggas who went to exile. What are they Latin for like?
People who actually suffered in a way.
Like for like 10 years, I say we want to say Latin to Puzum Kamoak, do Limbi.
I'll see.
Ouch. Like, and then now is able to have access to that kind of power.
So fika njengenye iforce nayo. But ke ukuphina unwarisha ka usithi 26 because nabo umuntu imali, which is the money umuntu usebenza imali mayise ngakuyi.
Exactly.
Of course.
Exactly.
Sizawukhala more okanye uzawuza nento ezawu-improve imali chibe ninzi na, but nathi
we are hoping. We're hoping for that.
All we can do is hope. Yes.
And the foot, I mean, like recently, actually the first time I saw Gaten Mackenzie, which is on this politics, whatever. So I'm watching this thing, and I think it was the week before the elections or something like that. Hey, 4 colored guys, a TV, Vumbugani. No Gaten Mackenzie, no streets. no bridges. I'm like, get in. I was like, at least I'm a false nyana, just bring back my smile, make it popular at the Eastern Cape, and then build a bridge. You don't give them nothing. I want to next bit. No.
But with politics, guys, like if you une force enough and une numbers, anyone can really just.
Would you have been a politician?
No, for me personally, never.
I said if you were born, when politics were at its peak, 1976, Bofundi school. Were you gonna be part of the uprising? Orange Bosha was straight bullet now. Nabo what to buy and no, I choose. Where do you think? Either one, where do you think we're gonna be?
But what I've noticed now about the politics, I'm writing in a mindset, but I want to do better and I want to do this. But okay, to the next one.
Yeah.
But the next one, I peleli go west 3. I say you're young land.
Yeah.
So
It's like a broken telephone.
You're not gonna get anywhere. That's my view. Yeah. So none politics.
Okay. Should you also show a straight bullet? Okay.
I think if I was born around those times, I'd definitely be political. I think I'd be leading the streets in some way.
Mandela. Yo, baby girl. Baby girl, what's up? God damn you. You know what? Mina personal, ngabe ngifectal. I would have been dead a long time ago.
Hell no.
2016.
Hell no.
Buthi it's machine ngabe izinja zami siyabangena. Ntwana.
Usasuthi udaka nama bullets.
Bullet udaka nini? Mfethu ngoba wena into nayo isitina ne-avocado. Angibathi. Okay, it's a true story. Okay, I'm not sure if it's true or what. But
okay.
Rumors Joe Uti in those times. Bebona kupretenda ngathi avocado.
Oh.
Yeah. Figuring when I say avocado, kutsa amaphone. That's why boy abakote kanje ngamakhwela khwela. Yeah, I would have been. But I think at the same time, I mean, something is got to give, you know. We are activists in everything that we are doing.
Yeah.
Activist, you're an arts activist.
Yeah.
I'm an arts activist.
Yeah.
You know, you're also an arts, you are a musician, even, so we are activists of some sort.
Yeah.
Even as a Makai, even in our homes, we are activists in our homes because I mean, I can say 90% of us, especially if I can point out 80s to 90s kids. Tina, hey, don't see this baby face.
But
hey,
guys,
yeah, you know what I'm saying? So when you were born in that era, your parents are not people that are fond to art. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
If you are a painter who is a sketch, you know what I'm saying? If you if you are doing theater, you know what I'm saying?
It's more of a hobby, a plaything.
Yeah, it's a play thing. Yeah. So it wasn't something that they would. Even now, there's a lot of parents that would do not wish their kids to be in the arts industry. Bonke babiza kanjalo. Yile art yakho. Abathi, oh my God, my boy is doing art, but hey, the art yakhe.
Guys, let's also credit.
Yeah, I mean that's why ngisho ukuthi the ratio. Yes, the majority they don't, but there are those that actually support.
Progressing people like even ababadala, like they're progressing.
Yeah.
Mentally, because my born about the situations of abandona betu we're not really reaching out to them, you know.
Yeah.
Back to the point, I didn't mean to disturb you.
Yeah, I don't know, but I mean, you actually speaking a lot of truth in what you are saying, and this is why some of us we had to be the activists in our homes. So me, I'm not gonna go and do nothing. You know, I can face you.
Your passion,
I ain't trying to do that. You know what I'm saying? I think
and I also think like in mentality, the older generation is also changing.
Yeah, sure.
Because now art, they're viewing it in a different form.
Yeah,
it's not like before with art is just
Yeah.
angeke uye ndawo.
You know how I feel.
Yeah.
I feel ukuthi even abazali bethu are traitors of some sort.
How so?
Because if you look at it properly, I mean, I can see it with my mother. Straight up ukuthi yabona the only time that she's starting to be fond of this art thing. Waqala uvela boma TV. Waqala ngasokhuluma nabelungu nyana. Ngathi kunomlungu nyana nje esekeleni. This is where now they're like, "Oh, I think it's getting somewhere."
I think that's really fucked up, if I should say, because
It is.
that means ukuthi like they still have the mentality yakudala in a
But
way.
nayo.
In a way.
Yeah, but I mean bakhule
But
ngayo.
guys,
Yeah.
kaloku nathi asinobagweba kangako as long as they are trying, because you can't really erase
Yeah.
nto oyaziyo for yonke laa minyaka. But ke ngoku each and every day you're working like to be progressive, to
Yeah.
be better on that.
Yeah.
So kuleyo kwelo cala siyabaqhobela izandla shem to those mothers who are starting to see
Yeah.
ukuthi umntanami passion yakhe yile nto, I might not understand it,
Yeah, sure. True.
but ke ngoku I might not even mean it when I say mntanami.
Yeah.
But ke
Yeah,
ngoku for
sure,
the fact
sure.
that I am saying it, ndiyayazi uba iza kubuilda.
Mina
So,
nje
yeah.
ngimkwatile nje ukuthi akayanga exile.
Uma wakho
Hey mfethu, hayi bangayanga exile abantu bafethu.
ufuna bathini?
Ngabe manje I'm son of a minister or something. Drive iPorsche ipakela ngapha ngidla imali yenu ye-taxi uyangisola mfethu. I'm living the good life.
So
mfethu.
bakuphekisidwe
Bro, like yeah, umama nangu uboshwa ama-hawks. Uyangithola have fun in your life.
Kube nje ne-drug.
Yeah, mommy 26 laphayana. Ugenerali.
Ama-wishes wakho.
Uyangithola.
Your first memories obuncinci
Bro.
ziphayana around zonke
I have a
eza-
tattoo.
yeah.
From birth. Yeah. Uyangithola. You know what I mean?
Over wena.
So man, but I mean, we are existing in very complicated times now, and especially because even the shifts of careers nje on their own, even technology, how it's coming about.
Shifts of everything.
Yeah, of everything. How even look for instance, medicine is changing completely because technology, the AI is doing this, is doing that. You know what I'm saying? Next thing, I saw this other lady. Actually, I'm not sure if it's a female doctor or a male doctor, but there was this story of this doctor who invented this. It's kind of like express ATM machines.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
yona, it kind of diagnoses you with if you are cool or whatever, and then it
zigcwele kwezi malls, yeah.
yeah, and
Ngayibona
then
eLimpopo.
then it prescribes you. Yabona uqala
Uchazele
vele
straight.
kubo Limpopo,
Ah.
because I mean all kinds of medicine. Yonke nje le career nje eza nje nomuthi nyana.
Hey.
It's the hub of medicine. You know what I'm saying? So now imagine when when the actual AI of there starts learning so much about human behavior, human anatomy, and all of that.
Too much power.
Unesi awusamdingi. You know what I'm saying? Awusadingi unesi. Uyafika nje emshinini yakubuza uphethwe yini? Yasho ukuthi eish.
And unyanisile
Not
siya
sure.
because kancinci basi-introduce le nto.
Yeah.
Go back 2 years back, I think. Yakhumbula kukho i-robots ezibonakalisayo uba they can do all the chores.
Yeah.
Yangathi into evezwa iphinde ihambe, but uyayifanda on social media abantu
Yeah.
bayipostile banazo zendlela.
Yeah.
Kukho laa mtshini womopha even.
Yeah.
So izinto slowly technology is replacing a
It's
whole lot
replacing
of
everything. Imagine bethu
progressing,
brothels,
guys. In
yeah.
whatever way,
Prostitutes
whether
are gonna be
benefit or
replaced.
not.
Yes.
They
Yeah,
are
true.
already.
Yeah,
Already.
already.
Zikhona as they made of silicone, ne?
yabo
I don't know who
silicone
knows it. Uyayithenga ifika kwibox ine shape uyifunayo if you want
It's
ibooty
even-
Yeah.
it's even
ebusize
wobbly, right?
ethile
BBL.
and xa ibamba like
It's
iyamuva
wobbly, ne?
yonke into iyayenza
Yeah.
kakuhle.
Yeah.
So suthi
BBL.
isezawureplace i-prostitute
Yeah,
sebakhona
yeah.
bayaziyo ba endlini
Engiyakhuluma ikutshela
outguards.
ukuthi Big Daddy
Yeah. Uyayiprograma ba this is what
stand me.
Oh God.
Ayakutshela. I know usho ukuthi lo mshini. Yewena mshini wena. Just everything is moving. You know what I'm saying?
That's true.
And I'm not sure if you know this. I love sci-fi and fantasy. Like that's my thing.
Oh, yeah,
yeah,
movies.
yeah. I don't like action movies.
Yeah.
Like yeah.
Ufuna
keep his
ikhuphe
palm
out of
uzomdubula.
this world. Yeah.
I mean, I live fiction. Ngiphila Jozi. Fiction. I mean,
Yeah, it's like, oh,
action.
okay,
You know,
yeah.
all the time. I need someone that can die and wake up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Fly somewhere.
Afuke,
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So there's Guardians of the Galaxy. So Konjuban, this dude.
Yeah,
That, see that dude? Yeah. So bamveza one time, ose brothel, my bro. Isn't a brothel dog? Emission like it's just machines. Yeah, just machines, yellowish machines. Yeah, you can. I think you can configure how you want them to look.
Okay.
Afro.
Abe lonto ifunayo.
Into the way you know what I'm saying? We're gonna end up with that, with everything. So now AI relationships are in trouble. Fun is in trouble. You know what I'm saying?
Reality is in trouble.
Reality here on its own is in trouble. You know what I'm saying? Our kids.
Definitely in trouble.
Our kids.
Because they're already hooked.
Right now, a kid cannot know how to speak.
Yeah.
But can use it like a tablet now.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Knows where to get his games or whatever it is. You know what I'm saying?
But I've watched on Netflix, Ababantu Babe create, I think it was WhatsApp, one of the social handles. But Ngoku, it's not what they intended to outcome be, because Ngoku, it's way out of hand. And Babe Sitiba, even kwasendlini zabo abantwana babo bafazi babo phones are not allowed. Because it has gone, and abantu abaninzi, it's so easy to escape. In reality, it's too much crueler and whatever.
Yeah.
So ngoku, if ever uyayazi efonini yami, zawuchilla ke ndiphume kwezami izinto.
Yeah.
But ke ngoku, slowly but surely you are running away from your
Is it maybe because we want to run away from reality that much that the perfection of this fantasy looks and feels so good they would rather find ourselves just existing in the space? Because I, for one, I feel like it's crazy to exist in a space whereby ujabulile wena 24/7. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, like it's not everything can work out the way that you want. Now, what happens to other senses and emotions that you have? Disappointment. You need to be kind of be disappointed. You know, you need to be hurt somewhere. Although it's not nice, very. They're very necessary.
But ke ngoku, like, why umuntu ezawufuna uba ufila into eyi-one, emotion eyi-one, ku-exercise yona ibe ne-muscle enkulu
than the other one.
Then ezinye zona zi-paralyzed.
Yeah.
That is also a problem. But ke ngoku indaba ye-social media ne-technology, not social media, technology, indaba esingasoze siyithini because ekugqibeleni iyasibhenefitha nathi kwelinye icala.
At the end of the day.
Thina even kwangoku.
Right now.
podcast iyo.
Yeah.
It's true, the technology, because it's creating jobs and allow abantu to be creative and be their own person at the same time.
Yeah.
But I think the question is limit EP for umdu as an individual. You know?
Yeah. And I mean, if we're talking about some sort of limitation in terms of us as people, and we are creating an advancement of something that it can learn limitlessly. You know what I'm saying? There's no limit to ingqondo yomuntu. You can learn limitlessly. Now they're creating this thing that can also have the same feature as you. It can limitlessly learn.
Whatever.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay, I'm going this side.
Yeah. Even now, as we are talking right now, as we are having this conversation, I'm certain one iPhone is listening. There's like a suggestion of actually check out this thing. You know what I'm saying?
You were speaking about.
Yeah.
Also,
Something you were speaking about.
You might not even continue.
You know what I'm saying? You haven't even spoken about this thing. So now, where do we draw that line with that thing?
Individually.
We can't say individually because you raised a specific, a certain point. For example, the point that you made with how if you were a politician and you wanted to do great things, right? But at the same time, we find out you want to do the great things, but now the 3-4 people that you are working with, so yes, individually maybe you would want to have a certain limit with how far you want to go with this thing. But now the environment that you are now, comes into play with the environment is okay, yes, I don't want to answer my phone at 12 episode. I want to be sleeping. But your work demands you.
Okanye it might be a delete kudala ndisend emails
exactly.
Ish.
Exactly. Ngasikhathi leso nomjolo uyakudemand
Yeah.
ukuthi ngo-12 you're not answering my calls. Who are you with? You're like, but bro, I'm sleeping. Yeah, you were cheating on me in my dreams. Hayibo.
Kumele uxoxe loo nto. I saw you. Uxobela cap yakho nala underpants yakho.
Yeah. I'm like, but look at, it was you. I blame you. Why would you involve other women in your dreams?
Oh my gosh.
Like, who's the cheater here?
I see.
Between you and I. You made me
Do it.
do it.
Oh, so it was done. Okay.
It's your fault.
It was done.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I mean, actually tapping into that space. You know, in terms of relationships, right? How do you think the new age perspective of what relationships are? Because a lot of times now I've realized Uguti, people have a social media perspective of what relationships are and whatever.
We are vibe, but that's the word.
Oh, they are vibing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So where are we with this vibing thing? Are we vibing or what are we doing?
Yeah.
What happens when people
Masicale
vibe?
sithathe ngomvibe because I didn't understand it and I had to go deep into it. Kandicacisele. Kuthiwa uvibe like when you guys doing everything eyenziwayo a good relationship.
Yeah.
Like you are sexual together. Xa nidibana, you act like a couple, but
Yeah.
you guys are not. Like you are open.
Hey,
Uyakwazi uphinde uze nomuntu wakho sisonke.
yeah.
It's not an offense.
Hey, kumnandi
Akekho
South
wrongo.
Africa.
So
Hey,
kuyaflow
it's so
nje.
nice. Hey, but South Africa kumnandi.
Hey, mara,
Emhlabeni. Yeah. Wenza yonke into but you still have another choice to
Yeah.
but
wait, is it equal to men and women? Do we do the same thing?
yeah, kuthiwa, but
Icon.
yes, but talk is cheap. And
Yeah.
xa udibene abantu abayi-2 with emotions and stuff.
Yeah.
Izinto ziyenzeka yeke babe sivumelene sathini.
Yeah.
Women's change because feelings ziyatshintsha.
We are human beings at the end of the day.
And then wena
Yeah.
ibe itshintshile feeling kuwe. Xa u-act uzokuchazela uba no, kaloku chomi, we had an agreement.
Remember the agreement says
So
this.
nawo lo mvibe lowo like
Yeah.
yenye into nje engena to me andiyibona i-direction yayo but
Yeah. So when
Kwenziwa loo nto.
yeah, so when if you would say what would be the most ideal relationship or situationship, whatever it is that you know you can picture or imagine for yourself. Asithi you have all the powers that be. You have the power to say, if I want a relationship like this, it's exactly what I'm having.
yeah, eyamusana interesting in my head. Ndiyakuthanda xa usithi uba if you had all the
Yeah.
powers.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is not
Yeah.
me just being realistic. Yabo.
It's good fantasy. Yeah.
Eyamu singa best friends. You know, we talk about everything. But at some point, hey, interested kubani?
Yeah.
You know, like let's talk about it. Yeah. Maybe I feel like I invite her.
Yeah.
You know,
Yes.
So nenzane nonke.
no.
Oh.
I khonga qha kaloku yena ngumuntu wam ndiyamsherela.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Kubaweleka so. Naye abe
Yeah.
okay, like ingabi into awkward okanye
Yeah.
yazakho.
Yeah.
Nakuye xa kwenzeka the same thing. You know, and then from apho sithi ababonayo basifuna uqhuba sonkeni but
Yeah.
andithethe ngaloo nto ngoku.
Yeah, sure.
That's
Yeah.
a huge ass fantasy.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
No, I like it. It's the one.
What is yours?
Yeah, man, I'm options.
Ngqale phambi kuwe, guys.
Yeah,
What is yours?
man. Hey, I'm ngizolimaza ingqondo.
Me, I'm a romantic, guys.
Ow.
I'm a hopeless romantic.
Ow.
So one person is enough for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ingasibe njani, we not talk about numbers but ungase
Yeah.
njani i-relationship
Your
yenu?
ideal.
Although you're one
perfection.
person.
Well, like basically do everything together. Yeah, but
The best friend thing.
Yeah.
best friend type
Yeah.
of vibe, but like because I love my space. Yeah. As Uti, yeah. When it's cut some, it's cut some. Yeah.
Yeah.
With no hard feelings
No,
on
no,
it.
yeah.
Mm.
Sometimes I just don't want to even talk, you know,
Yeah.
at all.
Mhm.
And I shouldn't feel bad.
Yeah. Ukuthi wena manje
I don't want
awufuni
to talk, yeah.
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 Okay. That's
So
interesting.
if best friend yako would understand that without feeling any type of
Yeah,
way.
just want to keep quiet for like a week.
A week.
A week.
I'm
Okay, but yeah, you best friend
Just
yakwazi.
saying.
So when we are talking about
Yeah.
fantasies here, yabo.
Oh yeah.
So if
Sure.
fantasies is
Yeah.
yes, but
Hey, that's a
Yeah.
nice fantasy.
Sia. Singamele wena, wena. What is
It's
yours?
a beautiful fantasy. Yazi Mfethu, me, I'm a very simple dude, man.
Okay.
I just want the simple things in life, gents. You know, ngibe ne-option if mhlawumbe ngifuna uku-invite one for it sami ngabi nenkinga zokuthi ini eze. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Little issue, the quiet thing. Like sometimes you just want to chill and not feel guilty for chilling. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, ngiziblomele. Sometimes I want to go and hang out with my actual friends. Ngihambe ngiyobloma neimpintshi zami ngibuye kusasa ungabi nenkinga ungabi nento ezinjani njani. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if I decide maybe today uthi okay namhlanje I wanna go and get sludge for like the whole week. Mangibuya ngigula unginese.
Yeah.
Wangibuzabuza into eningi. Uyangithola? Yeah, just those simple things. Those simple things give me ass when I want it, you know. Yeah, like bro.
If only.
Angazi bafethu ukuthi ngicabanga. Like it's the simplest things of life.
Ovelo athi give you everything.
Me.
Just
Yeah. Yeah.
But
You know what I'm saying?
That's why fantasy, because the reality is far away
Yeah,
from
yeah.
yonke le
Yeah.
nto
True,
oyibona
yeah.
thina, so-
In reality, it
unless
does
you
not
can
work
go
like
get
that.
some AI shit, then you'll be fine.
Yes,
some
I don't know
AI.
whoever is
I
doing
want-
AI there.
I mean,
Hala at your
Yeah.
phone.
Bro. Do the right thing. Yeah, I mean, bafethu, I believe ukuthi whether, you know, sometimes fantasy and reality can somewhere somehow
yeah,
kind of
Coexist.
yeah
Yeah.
zimatche somewhere.
Azikangamatch
Yeah, angisho match ukuthi
Yeah.
manje, you know what I'm saying? Yeah,
Yeah.
there can be situations because sometimes when we want something,
Yeah.
we want too much of the thing,
Yeah.
and we forget to leave room for other things to exist within
Yeah.
that space. You know what I'm saying? Because if as it you want to be happy, very happy, remember that in your happiness, you're not alone in that happiness. There's other people involved. So there has to be a sense of empathy that you
Yeah.
would have to say, "Uti, yeah, no man does not mean I need to. Someone needs to get hurt from
Yeah.
my
Injabuleko,
happiness.
yeah.
Yeah, sometimes Njabuleko can wait a bit so that
Omunye umuntu.
yeah, so
Yeah.
that kunabanye abantu that are around that you can be able to kind of you know relate with or empathize with wherever they are, because manje asithi sorry to be insensitive, but I mean it's now things. I want to commit suicide today when ujabulile. What must happen? Are you going to be celebrating
Of course not.
when I'm busy on suicide? You get what I'm saying? Yeah, nginami yimi laphana ngentambo wena you are vibing
Yeah.
or alpirimium nayi la
That has
uwangispontshelana.
to change, yeah.
Yeah, I mean
But for him, now yami facts on what we said about
Yeah.
fantasy. Yami, it remains a fantasy because
mhm.
I wouldn't want it to come alive.
Actually
Yeah.
happen,
Because
yeah.
like as singabantu, ukhala into ekhoyo.
Yeah.
And I think you're not dominator out there right now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Izinto ziyaveza ukhala, it's a natural thing. So it will stay as a fantasy because there's no way I wanna have a relationship
Yeah.
in my like la fantasy
Yeah.
nje xa
Yeah.
awuqhatha nozikhatha yaba soze yenzeke.
Yeah,
But
and
Yeah.
a fantasy, I
thinking
mean, fantasy is
far.
nice, man.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
good
fantasy
to
is nice.
fantasize,
Yeah.
And I hate him, guys.
No, I hate him on. I hate him on. So, angitshele, good one. In this fantasy,
Sure.
Shandy's of yours, right?
Yeah.
In this fantasy thing of yours. Now, okay, yes, I know I said Yako you want if the powers that be, whatever.
Yeah.
But now, how would you feel the other person? How would you take their fantasy if a city now they have this fantasy of theirs now?
yeah.
Now you want your fantasy to
Happen.
to happen.
Okay, so are we like literally bring it into reality?
Like-
Yeah.
Okay.
Now naye
Right.
ugazi
Has
unale
his own
fantasy yakhe
fantasy,
afuna
yeah.
yenza akutshela
Yeah.
ukuthi mina Brookhead I'm a dude I know, but
Yeah.
sometimes I would like it in the ass. Get me a thingy, get me a dildo so that it seems I see too. I mean, these things happen, but we live in a now this thing.
Yeah, true, yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not such
Yeah.
a biggie. Like
You know what I'm saying?
communication,
Yeah. Me, I was
between two
told.
people.
Yeah.
I was told by this. It's crazy how these things are happening now. I was told by this lady on Facebook, Sibs bro, on Facebook. So there was this meme. The meme was saying, a man that does not like this is a gay dude in the closet, right? So the picture is a woman putting her two fingers
inside the anus.
egagazi. Yabona? So I'm like, I bafethu, this one, I mean nothing goes up my ass.
Yeah.
It's an outlet that thing. There's nothing going in that merchandise. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And then she was like, nah, you are backwards.
Nah,
Narrow-minded.
Yeah, you're narrow-minded, you're closed-minded and all of that. So now this extends to my question, Uti. Now, how about the second person's fantasies? Are you gonna be able to? Would you be able to accommodate them?
I mean, I think it would depend what that is. I cannot do everything. I also have my boundaries for myself.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I also there's just things that I just don't see myself doing at all.
Okay.
So it will depend.
Like what?
Yeah, yini.
Like I don't know what's the term for it, but like
Putting
sucking the guy's asshole.
Or rimming.
Rimming.
Yeah.
It's got a name.
Sorry.
Yes,
I
rimming.
wouldn't do that. Yeah, rimming.
That one.
I wouldn't
Yeah, but
do
you
that.
just like I marinate. And just
I'm
kinda
not,
pour.
but I would not survive that.
Hey guys,
It's a hot
mnyama for ezinye izinto yazi.
I would not. Yeah, I would not survive that.
Okay.
So it would
Alright.
depend ukuthi loyo muntu ifantasy yakhe yabo.
Oh, yeah, ihamba
Yeah.
ngo-
Ne-boundaries
okay.
zakho.
Okay, ne-boundaries
So
zakho.
that
Yeah.
you don't lose yourself.
Yeah, I
you
don't
lose
want to
yourself.
do
Yeah.
everything just because I'm going to
Yeah.
please
Yeah.
someone,
Okay.
you know? Like,
As much as you would not want them to, if you would be okay if they would not do everything that
they
you
better
want.
do everything for me because I'm not asking for anything insane.
No, but for you.
No.
you.
Now that's not fair.
I'm
Exactly.
joking, guys. I'm
Yes,
joking.
that's
I'm
for you.
Reality insane.
Yes.
literally
Yeah.
joking. I'm joking,
Yes.
guys. But yeah.
So when I see
Yeah.
can I ask a question?
Yo.
Indenzele umdla lento yale finger
Sure.
up the anus and stuff.
Yeah.
Before that time,
Ay,
okay, like
yo.
mention now, were you aware but there's some pleasure up
Yeah, sure, of course. I mean, we exist in a world where there's all of these different types of sexualities,
Yeah.
and then there's also what do they call it? Sexual experiments that
Yeah.
people do. Omunye umuntu would
Yeah.
tell you, no, this is how I like certain things, or how I
Yeah.
like certain things. And a lot of times you would meet the actual women that like doing that.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a concept that it was not strange
Yeah.
to my ears, but definitely to my ass, yes.
Okay.
Our feet just tiny ass. Just seem like I have like literally like tennis for an ass, bro. And our feet, ungatu kaka kunzima, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? I have, but imagine now that. So, yeah, for me it was crazy
Yeah.
that people will impose their ideas of what they assume a great pleasure is and whatever, and then look at it as something that is backwards.
Yeah.
Which now takes me to this concept that I've seen and understood with a lot of people, that when someone starts dabbling in other genders, they think they are the shit, because now I'm a dude that now is able to cuddle with another dude. It means that I'm living the now and all of those things. When you are just a dude like us, there's still heterosexual men that find this thing strange. And I don't know how it's strange for me to see it as a strange thing, which it is. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it. It is a strange concept for me. I'm not saying Guti, I don't accept it. It's happening. People can do it, but not give.
Personal.
Yeah.
No, but everything, I think it goes back, but singabantu about different. And
Yes.
Sure.
Sithando is different. But ke obviously as indaba ye social media, abantu umuntu feel entitled.
Yeah.
If it's not this, then that means bakuso.
Yeah.
So freedom of speech, but ke umuntu uyayiprefera yo into ayicommunicate nepartner yakhe.
Yeah.
That's the best thing. And
Yeah.
then baniyavumelana. But ke phi uzawuthetha nepartner yakho ibe ingavumelani, then ihambe uyoyithetha, but ithetha ke ngoku seyiba yenye into ba
Yeah.
akageyisa ufuna ndimfako hayi ibe conversation yethu soyithi a safe space, so sabreak up and then ngoku it turns on to be something else.
Yeah, this thing is a very sensitive
Yeah,
topic
they're
now.
very sensitive.
You know what I'm saying? Bangas cancel immediately, real quick,
Hayi mara
in a hurry.
hayi kodwa khange
And now we are talking about freedom of speech at the same time. So you see how, you know, unfair
Dynamic,
the
yeah.
dynamics are with your freedom of speech. But if you say you don't like something, you get cancelled for not liking the thing.
Yes,
Which
yeah.
means if you don't
Which
like
is
it,
ridiculous.
that means Uti, you are backwards.
Yeah.
You are
But
swag.
it's
In
ridiculous. So you
conclusion,
have to
fast
like it.
kangaka.
Yeah, you have to like
Oh
the
my
whole thing.
God.
But the peer pressure, if you say abuyela back peer pressure, khomisa esikolweni. Pha yo kuthe if awuyenzi zathi imzekelo i-cigarette because
Yeah.
benifunda kwisikolo sama-colours
Yeah.
mhlawumbe sibayi-3 phayana if you don't do this then
Aboma-second
akho
lawo.
ntswempu nje yewe mani
Yeah.
awusenze gogogo so nawe i-peer pressure so if
What?
wena
Color schools didn't smoke. Primary.
uthi
Waphila ama-colors mhlawumbe ngicela ukubhema preschool.
yo ala
It's probably a stereotype. It's probably a stereotype. But angiyazi color lingabhemi. I've never seen a color that doesn't smoke.
so i-peer pressure
Yeah.
is a thing and it will always be a thing
Sure.
because even nangoku uyayibona i-generation sathi ama-2000
Yeah.
um
Oh, 2Ks.
yo
Yeah.
athembu
So
Twempu blind ane-influence kwawona
Too
yabona
much.
pressure sithetha
Too
ngayo
much. Too
bona
much.
abazi nayo beyihide okanye
No.
bathini, it's who they
Yeah.
are,
Yeah.
you know.
I see
Either-
grandmothers doing TikToks.
Yeah.
Ubona ukuthi
Yep.
hey labantwana laba are
Yeah.
doing the most. See grandmothers doing TikToks.
Benza lama trend wakhona.
Omunye umkhulu ajayiveza uMichael Jackson uzibuza ukuthi thina ngenkazi zethu you were just getting beat up.
Yeah.
On this thing. Yeah. Yeah. You were saying?
Where was I?
You were smoking preschool. No,
Yeah,
okay.
I know uyayifuna le ndaba
You
yonke.
were.
My point, I made my point, you see, yeah.
Okay.
And I'm not smoking zange ndingene kwa
Okay.
pressure.
I'm shocked. I've never heard of a color school where there's non-smokers.
Oh my god.
Bane sane no smoking eclassini.
Amanga aga. Nah, guys, I know nothing about that. Nah,
Okay.
benzenza just umzekelo we-peer
Okay.
pressure in
Yeah,
the
yeah,
colored
Environment.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Would you say there's a difference though?
P,
Being because I think you've existed in both, right?
No.
Being in a
black and
dominated
yeah.
colored
Yeah.
space and a black dominated. Yeah.
No, I've never been on both, but bendi surrounded ngabantu like ichomi zami and
Yeah.
one of my family members. So mehluko ukhona because yeah, ustout emakhaladini.
Yeah.
Ustout into yobhanka because if ufunda uhlala kwalapha eKasi
Yeah.
then ufunda kwalapha eKasi
Yeah.
indaba yobhanka thina besibhanka ukhweli that time kokwenu was ukhweli ibus when
Yeah.
uthenge itikiti letrain because ivibe pha etrainini
It's a training.
then xa ifika etrainini eCBD kuyothengwa iGaspi kendaweni ethile kuyohlala phana ayikho
Yeah.
nto ibhangelayo But
Yeah.
you get into that
Yeah,
so ufunda colors for him na hey
Yeah,
bestout
Okay. Would you say it was the peer pressure that was driving?
Yeah.
the
yeah
thing?
i-culture yakhona
Yeah.
It's more
It's
of
just
a-
to
it's more
kind
of a
of
culture
wanting
thing,
to belong.
Exactly.
I think kaloku xa ungumntu that's why kuthiwa abantu osurrounda nabo
Yeah.
you become that
Yeah.
Okay.
you know so imagine from grade R
Yeah.
until uyogqiba grade 7 ungene high school
Yeah.
so a bit of you becomes that
Yeah.
yabo if
Yeah.
ke strong enough to escape that bakhona abaninzi
Yeah, sure.
but ke ngoku
Definitely.
you become what you keep around you the
Around
company,
you.
the
In
company
most
that
cases.
you keep yeah
In most cases.
yeah so now
Yeah.
yeah
So would you say that has had a positive impact in your life up until today? Do you think that foundation
with
there
him
in
nakasana
terms of behavior?
I'm a
and
very
stuff?
positive person because
Sure.
mna kwinto yonke whether ibingekho positive ngoku bisenzeka
Yeah.
but ke ngoku from what I get
Mm-hmm.
from that thing
Yeah.
ndiyayijika ibe into i-learning curve yam
Yeah.
it's part of my journey so going forward you know
Yeah.
so yona ibi-negative but ke ngoku ngehlobo mna
You
ndayitwista
turn
ndasekhaya
the
ndikhule
thing.
ngalo
Okay,
so
sure.
ndibhelieve uba
Yeah.
even with ingqondo yam
Mm-hmm.
the way I see things the way I approach
Yeah.
Yeah.
because of those things yabo
Sure.
yeah so
Okay.
it was negative but turned
Into
It's a
positive.
thing. Yeah.
So what about your
My school
yeah.
experience.
yeah with peer pressure?
With
if
peer
there
pressure.
was
Well,
some sort of like
Mina, there was a point where I was like nowhere near peer pressure. I was like, fuck peer pressure.
that? Yeah.
I didn't like care for shit
Mm.
because Jesus is my Lord and
Oh,
Savior.
and Savior.
Okay.
Yeah, I was like reading the Bible the whole day. and
wena.
yeah, I was like deep into
I-textbook
it.
neBhayibheli.
Yo, I was so deep into it.
Yazi ndiyakubona.
I was so strict,
Ngiyacala.
bruh. Yo, so it just changed when I met this other guy, and I don't think I'd be this person if it wasn't for him.
Yeah.
Because he opened my world to see. Because man, there's quite a lot of
The
things
yeah.
out here, like the way ngicabanga ngakhona.
Yeah.
I only knew one way.
So kufika corrupt in a way.
Corruption yakhe isebenzile,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
because I would
Yeah.
still be this judgmental, narrow-minded
Yeah,
person.
yeah.
Oh, no, don't drink,
Don't
don't
do this,
smoke,
don't do
you
that.
know.
Yeah.
So I feel like that thing, it really took me out of my shell. Yeah.
So do you think it was it was him, or it was you willing? Because there's two of the things. Because if it was a peer pressure, it means you were kind of forced to kind of change. But if there was some sort of willingness, that means ukuthi,
Wayiva naye waqonda
that means ukuthi maybe you just knew one side of this thing. When you were introduced, you can say maybe introduced that other side, that you're willing enough to.
Were interested.
Yeah,
It
one-
was like-
something
it was
like that.
an enabler, in a way.
And an enabler.
Yeah.
Ah, damn it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So like
okay.
I guess Nami, I was kind of trying to wake up or get out of this whole
Yeah.
cocoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then he was,
Or in fact, when we were not
I wasn't pressured to do anything.
Yeah.
Exactly, sure.
Yeah, I wasn't pressured. I just wanted to step out of the skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I would say the universe was like nansi personality enzwembu apha bazawuphoswa abantwana.
Yeah, sure.
Balo wasimkhuphi
Yeah,
apha, so
exactly.
we had to get that
They
one
had
person.
to make sure ukuthi at least ngwasami ngembatata.
Eyakho experience
So sithola so sentabeni ubhekene nesihlahla sikhuluma nawe.
Yo.
So ufuna ukuvula amanzi. Mara at the very same time, yazini, these things is two coins. There's a flip side of this
Yeah.
thing.
Yes.
What if sikhuluma manje unesonto lakho lapha yana ushaya ngebhavu eligcwele amanzi, walking on water. You know what I'm saying?
Imangaliso.
Wenza imimanga uvusa abantu bafile. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, probably nathi kanje ngabe ngi-auditionile lapha yana wathi ngife ngavuka, then ate my own funeral food. And that dude was the one. Eh? Who does that? You die, wake up, eat food off your like ukudla kwakho umncebo wakho. Like
Imali
eat that
yami.
thing. Imali yami.
Yeah.
What do you mean? It's my policy. Half pop yami. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but nevertheless, I mean, yeah, you know what? I'm happy that we are able to find ourselves in places whereby we are aware and very in tune
Yeah.
with
Present.
present.
We are present
Yeah, with ourselves,
Yeah.
and also kind of seeing them where the changes happen.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Guti, if this kind of event never happened,
Yeah,
this
good.
could
Yeah,
have,
yeah.
if that, and
Yeah.
acknowledging the fact that
Yeah.
those events happened.
Yeah.
So for you, either one of us to exist in this, in these spaces. So I mean, I'm grateful that we are doers. We are doing this thing.
Yes, we are.
I mean,
we are.
We are doers.
Singabenzi.
Singabenzi bafethu.
Siya-actor.
You know what I'm saying? We've been
Yeah.
talking about a lot different of these concepts and topics, and through all of it, you can hear from each and every one of us, ukuthi, we understand and we are very cognizant and we
Yeah.
are very much aware
Yeah.
of where we are and what we are getting ourselves into. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
So yeah, man. I mean, what else? I mean, there's too many things to talk about. Me, I can talk the whole
Soze
day.
siyeke ukuthetha sana.
Yeah.
I-progressive
And I mean,
podcast is that much fun.
Yeah. How's the show? How is progressive podcast for you guys? How are you finding it?
I think I'm quite enjoying it, hey?
Yeah.
Because I'd say this is the first one, right?
Not necessarily.
Yeah.
So and so.
Yeah,
You know?
Yeah. Mhm.
Yeah, I think I'm really quite grasping what it is about, and I think going forward it will have a more direction.
Yeah.
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 For him,
And you?
it was fun. progressing and siprogresse kuzo zonke izinto besithetha ngazo
Yeah,
zonke because I think it was a minute. But guys, nihlale nibukela ni subscribe and join us. There's
Make
still
sure all
more
the time.
content
Yeah,
coming.
we need to do that. We have a lot of more content. We have because we don't necessarily only talk about like everything that is happening in the world, but there's also a focus that we have in terms of music and all of that. Because I mean, music makes the world go around outside of money. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I don't know what is the new thing. What is happening musically? Is the new Mapiano? Because Mapiano is doing the most. I mean, I'm a hip hop dude. Like me is hip hop first than anything. I can listen to other things. Actually, when I was in high school, when I was in high school, man, I was about grade 8. I was more into rock music more than anything else. You know, I was more into rock, and then I had a small nyana hip what's this jazz kind of phase, and then when I started hip hop, I went on in. I never went back, and I like seeing what is happening now, because there's this kind of fusions of these genres of music. I hear now a lot of hip hop producers are producing Mapiano, rappers are doing a Mapiano.
I think ziyalinka zonke because
Zonke.
uyaychecka ine kwaito, ine afrotech, ine buhau, like Mapiano guys, Mapiano impilo. Mapiano is life. That's all you can
I would be lying if I would say Amapiano what Amapiano and to him. I would be lying.
Help but to love them.
Yeah.
Uzawuthetha against wona, but siyaphosisa, you'll be nodding your head.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Komba yonke into ongayiboni. Yeah, man. So I don't know. Are there any maybe specific? I don't know. I'm a piano artist, to be honest with you.
Same here.
I know.
Guys, I'm also a piano artist. Njani niphike nihleli nami.
How? Man.
Kanjani?
No, I know one. Yeah. I know what. Yeah, man. No, the thing is, for me, you do a lot of.
I know.
Genres of music. Yeah. So I'm a piano for me. It's like. Is it now your new thing, or you've been doing it for a while now?
It's in between.
In between, yeah.
It will actually be my second song.
Second song?
Yeah.
Okay, you
so
are releasing something.
Because then we are born, but if you continue doing any into your share and
How are you finding the industry though?
For me,
specifically with the genre Amapiano, how is it for you? How would you kind of, as your analogy of Amapiano, and where do you think it's going and where you are seeing it right now?
Because Amapiano abroad, they also soulful. You get soulful Amapiano, so it's not really different from Lando Bendians. But you go with Wana, just have to be less with lyrics and then when into catchy, which is abantu I sing along for one.
Yeah.
So for him now, so far, because in the lapet Joburg, abandoned figure kubo. I won't lie and say it's been a hard journey. Because I'm still doing music. So Mapiano is life, guys.
Actually, the Mapiano as who started this Mapiano?
I think before there was like a deep house.
Yeah,
when it deep house, it used
still
to
there.
sound like Mapiano without the kick.
Deep house. There's a lot of deep house.
There's deep house, man.
Oh, E45.
No, not
that. Okay.
There's another one, that has
name one song, one artist. You're a musician now, almost. Come on. Yeah. Nago ulamos.
No, I don't know.
Cameras
It's usually just instruments.
Just go pepe. We'll know.
But guys, Amapiano, our figure with 2000.
Yeah.
The new bloods.
I figured I'm a 2K. I'm a piano.
Yeah, with the new bloods.
Piano.
And one thing's for sure is abanabo apha eshowing yethu abantu
definitely.
Straight.
Yeah.
Abawenzayo to the core Amapiano, abayazi ne foundation yabo.
The foundation yakho ukuthi buya. I mean, it's very interesting to have or know this kind of information because I mean, if you've just started, a trademark of the world, like Mapiano genre, bro, like everywhere in the world. Everyone is talking about Amapiano. Alicia Keys. Yes. Alicia Keys uhlela phana kwakhe uyatweka thukela Amapiano.
Oh, Chris Brown.
Chris Brown. Bakatweka Chris Brown.
Uyakodlula kwa wena. I tell you. So guys, do watch out. Kwi-show ezethu ezilandelayo. We're gonna have your favorite artist.
Yeah.
Sibe ne fresh musical dialogues. Get to know your artist also.
Yeah.
Next upcoming
Yeah,
Bazoba khona.
yeah,
It's a platform
yeah.
for everything that's progressive.
Yeah.
Also, we have the music side. We have
Yeah,
dynamics.
business,
Yeah.
all different dynamics, anything that is progressive. You're having issue with even if uthengisela ama-orange mfethu, you know what I'm saying? As long as we are progressing, you're able ukufaka isinkwa endlini. Sometimes that's the only thing that you just need to do.
Yeah.
Sure.
Make sure ukuthi endlini iyadliwa.
Yeah.
Not everyone, even with the piano or the arts industry, not everyone makes it to
Yeah.
the
Out
space.
there.
But abanye bakhona, they're able to actually feed their families and all
That's
of those
true,
things. Yeah.
yeah.
Not everyone needs to
Yeah.
now, be super crazy famous.
Mm.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I mean, there's still more other topics that we're gonna talk about. We're gonna cover from even small businesses, small enterprises. Because the GNU was announced yesterday. They've changed the whole cabinet. I hope the new minister of small business and enterprise is gonna do the most with small businesses, because even us ourselves here, we are part of that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We are those people. So hopefully, everything is gonna come full circle.
Yeah. And as Babes Teba, we also be talking about umculo. We are on all genres.
Yeah.
So kulapho apho uzohlala nabantu bakho. Qoma your favorite yami. Oh, banana.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then ngihlale naye uve naye story sakhe ba wenze njani.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
yonke into, it's a step. It's like these steps.
Sure, definitely.
So
Yeah.
progressing
Yeah.
every day.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. We're looking
Tons.
forward to more talks, more dialogues with everybody, with you guys. Thank you for chilling with us. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for being here. I thank myself for existing and being here.
Take this up,
Yeah, man.
All right, thank you. Bye,
Let's do
guys.
this again.